channel. This is Ipek. Today we are going to cook Turkish recipe. We are going to make a Turkish recipe which is Turkish soup. Some of the ingredients I'm going to show everything, but some of them are might be hard to find for you, but you can go check your local stores. Some of local stores sell different kind of Mediterranean ingredients and different kind of ingredients. Before we go check our ingredients, I want you to go ahead and subscribe my channel and like this video and check all other my videos also. There's going to be more videos coming up. Just keep watching me, and you can also share my posts or my videos with the hashtag #cookwithme. Now let's see what are ingredients, then we are going to start cooking. Let's start with the ingredients you can find easily at your home. So I have 2 cloves of garlic and 1 medium onion. Both of them cut in big pieces. A quarter cup of normal rice, white rice, 7 cups of water. We are going to use also 2 tablespoons of butter. Other ingredients you can go ahead and check if you have a Turkish store near you, or like I said, some local stores sell different items. You can check all those stores. For instance, this one I bought from Turkish market. This is actually a lentil. I know you can find green lentil in normal store. This one is red. But this is bulgur. I don't know if there's an English name for it, but this is bulgur. 1 cup of lentil, by the way. This is quarter cup of bulgur, and I bought this one in a normal local store. I didn't go to a Turkish store for that, so I'm sure you can find that too. And this is the package. I just want to show you. I don't have the package for lentil, but you don't need to buy this brand. I'm just showing you how it looks like. I'm putting my onions first. Now I start putting all other ingredients. We are going to cook our soup till it boils, and after that we are going to put lower heat and we are going to stir once in a while and keep cooking till everything inside cooked. Okay, there is a second step for this soup. This step is also so easy, don't worry. Just 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil, put in a small pan like this. Start heating. Then we are going to need 1 tablespoon of tomato paste, 1 tablespoon of all-purpose flour, just the flour, 2 cups of water, and then these 2 spices are coming from Turkey, but you might be able to find here. I'm sure you can find here. This is actually just a dry mint, and this one is red pepper flakes, and this one is paprika, and let's see how we are going to do this step. Okay, my sauce is ready. I cook about 15 minutes in a low heat. I keep stirring while I'm cooking. Now I'm going to combine these 2 together and keep cooking 5 to 10 more minutes. Okay, my soup is ready. Now I'm going to try to see how it tastes like. Okay, let's see. This is really delicious and healthy actually. Try this recipe, and if you try it, don't forget to share your pictures with me, and don't forget to like this video, subscribe my channel. Also, I have my blog. It is www.ipekjacobs.com. You can go there, see all the recipes I have step by step with the video. I hope you guys like it. Thank you for watching my video, and see you in the next videos.